Hi guys, and welcome. And this is a recorded video. I can't sleep. I'm going to do the. I'm going to quickly run through the Midland 2001 Precision Series FM radio, UK FM radio, CB2781. And what we're going to do, we're going to run through that, and we're going to try a couple of other things. See what we've got. Let's go to. Without further ado, let's go to the bench one. Right, so there as you can see the Midland. Let's go to where we need to be. Now we should have a scope up there as well. So where's the scope? Where's the scope? It was there a minute ago. It should be there. Right. Window capture. Let's go for here. There you go. There we go, guys, we've got it. Just put this in position for you. Put this in position. There we go. Bring that down there. There we go, guys. The picture's radio, the scope, and the cyanide meter. Now, I'll be honest, I tried doing this before, and when I put the frequency counter on and keep the mic up, everything went fucking tits up. Don't ask me why. But we're working now. Let's hope it stays. It was when I put the frequency counter on. I don't know what happened. I just put the frequency counter on. It went all haywire. Everything went tits up. So we'll try again, shall we? Let's go for the frequency. Right, so what we'll do, we'll connect to there. We'll go to there. Gear. We're getting a bit of information on the scope, but no worries about that. Right, so what we're going to do is look at the. What we're going to do, we're going to adjust the frequency here at. Now let's put you on the frequency counter. We're going to adjust it. We're going to adjust CT. It'll be CT1 because there's only one in it. There you go. $27.79. 325. Try grounding it there. See, it's finding a proper ground. That's not. What the fuck's going on here? What's going on here? Can I get that down there? 127, 125. Doesn't need adjusting, guys. It's actually on frequency. It's actually pretty much on. But if you need to adjust it, it's this one here. I'll show you. Go up to camera 3. Up to camera 3. If you need to adjust it, guys, I'll zoom in. And it's CT1 right near the crystal down the front there. So that's the one you adjust, the little red one there. So what we'll do now we'll do the power. So if I can move there, and we can do the power. Now I'll just get you in position and then I'll show you what we're going to adjust to set the power. Wrong way. Always go the fucking wrong way, guys. Oops. Well, it's a bit of a mission to get this right. Oops. Shifts over so quick. Come on, that's it. Right, I take it you can all see my meter. We'll just move in a bit. Just try and zoom in a little bit. That's all the way in. It's as much as you're going to get. So what I'll do, I'll show you what we're going to adjust. Camera 3. Right, for the transmitter, don't touch the one with the waxing, that's a VCO. We're not going to adjust that. We're going to adjust this. Let's get a bit more view. We'll get a bit more view. There we go, that's it. We're going to adjust this, this, then this. And I'm not sure about that, maybe I think that's a yeah, I think we adjust him. So let's get started, shall we? Now what we're going to do, we're going to adjust for the peak. Right, we're doing 4.5 watts. Just clean my fucking glasses. Right, we're doing 4.5 watts there. So we're a bit higher than what we should be, or even want to be. So just about 4.5 watts. So let's start with tuning the that's peak. It's good. That's good. It's good. Now let's heat this up because it's got wax in it. Need to wait for the iron to warm up. There we go. Let the soldering iron warm up. going to break the tool or the coil. So basically we want this. Oh, 4 watts. See what we're doing on channel 1. Watts. Channel 40. 4 watts. Let's have a look on our little meter to get a second opinion, as we always do. We don't let's go back to camera 3. Right. There you go. Back onto camera 3. Yeah, we had an issue with the first one. The first video I tried, it shut the computer down. Don't know why. As soon as I keyed the mic, it went bleep, and that was it. The whole lot went. So we'll turn it back, turn this little power meter on, see what we've got. We want to have 4 watts. We give or take 3.9. So we can just turn that slightly up to get the 4 watts. There you go, 4 watts on 40. .1 on to channel 1 and channel 20 with 4.1. That's good. 4.16. We're just 4.14 on 1, and yeah, we're still a bit down on, I think you're a bit unbalanced there. Right, so what we'll do, we'll have a go. I think this one is for balancing the power. There we go. 4.2, 4.1, channel 20, .2. That's good enough. Just come back down slightly. Four point 4.2, 4.1, 4.15, 4.12, 4.17, sorry, and channel 20 is 4.11. That's good enough. It's got a 4 at the beginning of all of it. So So what we'll do now, we'll undo this, shift the mic out of the way, go on the mic. Now, undo that. We're done with that, and there's no low power adjustment on these radios, guys. I don't know how they got them in the country with no low power adjustment, but there is no low power. No, I'm not sure which is high or low extension or PA. That's extension. So we'll set the oscilloscope in a minute. Set the oscilloscope in a minute. We'll just connect. Because obviously the oscilloscope needs setting. There we go. We haven't set that yet. So we'll plug that into the back of the radio. There we go. Plug that into this socket. We're already on frequency. Don't that too long. That's enough. Also that. Also set up. That's also set up. Yeah. So why are we... Let's see if we can turn this down a bit. Let's turn that up. Right, let's click that again. Are we on the right? Should be. We're on 2 times. Times 1, yeah, we're on the right one. And the scope's working. It's on. So why are we... I hate it when things don't work. You just click that and it should go to where you want. There we go. Why didn't it just do that in the first place? So, yeah, what we need to do next, guys, is we need to adjust the detector. Now, the detector on this is, I think it's buried under some wires. I need to remember where it is. It's this fucker here. Sat there under them wires. There you go. You want to set that for maximum recovered audio. Then what we'll do, Turn this down. Now what we want to do, we want to adjust, I think it's that one. That's gave us a bit more. All right. Yeah. Getting quite a bit out of this actually. And this one here. Let's go over those again. Just to be sure. A bit better. Can't help feeling though, I can get a bit more out of that. That's it. Now that one. It's a bit better. That's probably about right. Let's turn it up a bit. See how low we can hear it down. Well, I can't hear it at 32, 132. 116 we can hear it. So we'll just go over it once more. Let's turn it down. Clean my glasses. Right, so that's clean, that's not bad. Let's go to the next one. Let's cut that a bit more. This one. Now we can hear that at 120 decibels. That's about right. Yeah. Yeah, that's about right, that, guys, I think. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, we're not going to get any more than that. We're making doubly sure. Well, I'm happy with that, to be honest. Or chip the tool then. That's as good as we're going to get, that, guys. So let's see how we're doing on the signal meter. Right, we want the meter to read S9, and the meter adjustment from this is, I think it's this fucker here, but I'm not sure. But the nice thing about having the gear, it is there we go. Now unplug that. I don't think the signal meter's adjustable. Might be. So we'll plug the signal, plug this back in, turn that off, plug this back in, and we'll just check the signal meter. Make sure the signal meter's reading 4 watts, because I forgot before. No, I've got you. Now I can unplug that, because we're done with that. Come out. There you go. Get rid of that. Now oh, that's way high. And I think it's this one. The signal meter. Power meter, sorry. Nope. Well, it might have been might have let the mic off. Nope. That might be deviation. So that's signal. It's got to be one of these two. It is adjustable. It's not that one. Where the fuck are you? I know it's not that one, because I'm sure that one there's deviation. I'm sure that's deviation, that one. It's right in the middle anyway, so we can give it a twiddle. We can put it back. No, that's not it. Just deviation, that one. And that one's signal. I can't see another one. Used to put one on The older ones, the early radios, had one on the thingy, but they moved that. I can't see it, guys. I'm pretty sure it's that fucker there. It's one of them two fuckers there, and the meter does. Needle obviously doesn't. The meter doesn't. It's one of them two fuckers. It's that fucker. So we'll put it between the 3 and the 5. That'll be 4 watts. There you go. Just test the deviation. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. It's good enough. And as you know, I don't do the squelch because there's not really much point. Unless it's been messed with. Oh, there we go, guys. Let's zoom out. Let's put the twiddler back away. Zoom out. And that's it, guys. Turn the frequency counter off. Turn off the power supply. Bring that lid over there first so we don't smash the laptop. Right. Turn that little meter off. Unplug that. This is just like a bit of a bonus for me to show you some of the ways that we're going to be doing it from now on. And I think I think that's a great way of doing it. We can have the oscilloscope on and everything. Yeah. Yeah, we're just waiting for I'm going to bed in a minute, guys. I'll get this uploaded for you. Turn that off. There we go. This has got little plastic, little rubber feet or foam feet on the bottom. Right, put the screws back in. Well, we didn't really have a lot to do with that, did we, guys? It was just a basic service and just an alignment, really. I mean, yeah, we're all well and done and all good and ready for the next one. Remember, you've got the Midland 4001 precision series to look forward to tonight. I'll be putting a cloth down on the bench when I do that because that has had a paint job and I don't want it getting scratched. So we're going to put a cloth down when we do that because it's practically, I've made it practically mint. And there we go, guys. For your viewing pleasure, the Midland 2001 Precision series. I've got all these. I've got the 2001 right up to the 4001. There's a 3001 in my cupboard. which we will be getting to, or at some point. I forgot two of them for refeedable ones. I might sell one of them. Got one of them in a box. Anyway, oh, wrong one. I hope you enjoyed that little demonstration there, guys. My new way of doing it for you. You all take it easy, like, share, subscribe, buy me a coffee, all that other good stuff. But only buy me a coffee if you want to. I'll catch you later, guys. Thank you very much. Bye for now.